So it is time to start your seeds to get things ready for the garden. It is March right now, the end of March, so it's early, but it is time if you want to get ahead of the game. So what I have right here are my seed trays, and these ones are really good because they just turn right into the soil. You can plant the entire thing, the pot and all, and it'll just grow right into the garden. Just fill it up with dirt. These are peas, nice big seeds. So what I'm gonna do, and just put one in each one. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a second seed into each one, and that's just in case one of these seeds doesn't germinate. I'll definitely have something come out of each of these little seed pots. So then you take some plastic wrap, put it down, and take your watering can, and you want to go ahead and water these in. So the real issue with this is you don't want the seeds to dry out. If they dry out, you will lose them. They won't make it, they'll die, and you'll lose all your hard work. So the plastic wrap just keeps all the moisture in there and never dries out. So what I've gone ahead and done is just taken some more soil and packed it down on top. Put the label of what it is, snowbird peas, and water it again. Alright, then take your plastic wrap and just seal it in. Now all the water will stay in there, all the moisture, and these seeds will germinate hopefully in about 2 weeks. So you can go ahead and put these in a sunny window where they'll get a lot of sun, or if you need to give them a little help, you can put them under a little growing light, just like this, to help supplement with the light that they need to germinate and grow. So hopefully in about 2 weeks you'll see some sprouting, and the beginning of this year's garden has begun.